The most welcome in Aryabhatta classes as usual. Today question is derive the formula of a sector. Before starting the video, I request new viewers to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon as well as like. Now let us start derivation formula of sector. First of all, we should know what is sector. Sector is surrounded area by two radii and one arc. Two radii and one arc is called sector. Here you see that this angle, central angle with theta and radius BR, and we have to derive the area formula of this sector. We know that this total angle is complete angle, means 360 degree. This angle occupies area pi r square. Pi r square, the area of circle. Then this angle area have to be determined. Since 360 degree equal pi r square, hence on 1 this be pi r square upon 360 degree, hence on theta upon 360 degree times pi r square, which is area of the sector. Hence we can write area of the sector equal theta upon 360 degree pi r square. Now the video has been ended. That's all.